We're at a National Night Out event here in Reston, and we're celebrating the relationship between the community and the Fairfax County Police Department.
The National Night Out is really a celebration of a partnership between our communities and law enforcement to keep our communities safe, to share information, to improve communication.
The building of relationships, the strengthening of relationships between the police and the community is something that National Night Out is known for more than anything else.
One of the things that we're quite proud of in Fairfax County is being the safest jurisdiction of our size, and our community really supports our law enforcement partners, and it's a way for them to say thanks, but also a way for our police department and other public safety agencies to build new relationships with the community.
And I think first we have to have a relationship, one that's built on legitimacy, and that legitimacy eventually builds trust. And we interact with people on their worst day. We interact with families and neighborhoods and individuals who are in crisis. They've been a victim of a crime. They've been a witness to a crime. They're reporting a crime. And a lot of times the quality of that interaction is based on whether or not there was a relationship in existence in the first place. So National Night Out events like this one help to build the foundation for those important relationships.